Food! Food! I have food! Food! I have food! Please give me your money. One croissant, please. That'll be $5. Alright, will this do? No! Oh. Help! Help! He stole food! Sir, I'm gonna have to place you under arrest for stealing food. Hey, why do we have two maps? I have no idea! Ah, I hate this machine. Please put your bagging item in the bagging area. Ah! Hey man, can I have some coffee? Sure. Thank you. When's that stupid train supposed to arrive? Train will be arriving in 10 minutes. Hey, do you dare me to ride on the roof? Ma'am? Hey, I got more bags for the controller. What happened? That foolish human knocked us over. Then let's make him pay. Oh, is nap time over? Thank you. Everything's fine over here. Oh my god, we have a code 11. I repeat, we have a code 11. It's over there. Awesome, a limited edition police car. I want one. Bye, mate. Mine. Hey, what's that? Oh my god, guys, look, it's the train! Ladies and gentlemen, what is it called? I can't put my finger on it. The train has arrived at the station.